Watch this magic! A simple wire and a tiny button turns into a flower that lasts forever. Let's start by wrapping the wire around a marker or stick. Wrap the wire around about 16 times to create a fuller, more defined flower. Cut the wire. Hold it together and press it flat with pliers. Shape the wire into a nice, elongated petal form. Make sure the wire ends are aligned neatly. Trim any excess wire if needed. Both ends of the wire must finish on the same side. Later, we'll shape the flower so the ends sit neatly in the center. Now, prepare the thread and thread it through the petals. Gently spread the petals apart to make it easier to tie the thread. Tie the thread. Spread the rest of the petals so the petals are nicely and evenly arranged. Once the petals are nicely arranged, attach a button in the center using hot glue. Hold the button in place for a moment to make sure it sticks well. Now, cut a small circle from thin foam or another material for the back of the flower. Take a thin stick. Now, add some glue to the center, attach the stick, and place the foam circle on top. And that's it! A simple but stunning wire flower is finished. Now, you can put it in a stand or simply place it in a vase. If you like this video, give it a like and don't forget to follow for more creative ideas like this.